I got a flyer. I looked at it. It was like part-time job at Spirit. I'm like, I should probably take that later on because it benefited me more.
My woods teacher, he brought it up to the whole class, and he's like, anybody that's interested in this, there's having an internship like for 16, 17-year-olds out at Spirit. I was like, oh, that sounds pretty cool.
The program intrigued me because it gave me an opportunity to put myself into the position that I could possibly start a career here at Spirit and continue on with my education.
Younger kids today don't realize the opportunities in manufacturing, and some don't even know that it exists.
The program is a great way to get your foot in the door and a great experience. And I'm glad because it helps my understanding with the M&G codes, the programs, and how they all work together to complete a common goal.
The main benefits of this program is the opportunity that you get by being at Spirit. This is obviously an extremely prominent company and a great way to put your foot in the door or experience a wide variety of manufacturing.
The most beneficial benefit to this would be the college reimbursement. Since I'm starting my first semester in fall, which if you do it and you're a full-time employee here, you get covered.
This program provided me a lot of great opportunities, like for the State of Governors Education Council. I got to go through that and represent Spirit. And I got a lot more relationships with instructors and educational people.
It was a great chance to not only have a summer job to prepare me to go to college next semester, but it was a way to learn new processes, to be around in a new setting.
I am very grateful to have this experience, and it's just been terrific to me.
I would definitely recommend this to anybody and everybody that would be interested in anything manufacturing, because it opens a whole new door of what you thought you'd like. If you like hands-on, I would do this.